Hello. Here we have to show the numbers in the power of 10 notation. In brief, we have to show the numbers in the form when there is only one number before the decimal point, or one digit before the decimal point. So the first number is 1.156, and as we see, it has only one number before the decimal point, so it equals to 1.156 multiplied by 10 power by 0. So, because this number doesn't need any change, so we just multiply it by 1. So the next number is 21.8. Let me check. Yeah, 21.8, which equals to 2.18 multiplied by 10 powered by 1. Next number is here. So it equals to 6.8 multiplied by 10 power